Hello, welcome back to the channel. This video has nothing to do with caravans, motorhomes or anything. It's something I've bought to hopefully make my video sound a little bit better. The last one I did, I did some recording off the computer screen and it made it sound a little bit tinny and echoey. So I thought I'd invest in a new microphone. So I got it from Amazon and it was just under £40. So we'll have a look at what I bought. So this is what I've bought that can be clamped to my computer desk. I do most of my work on computer in a little office I've got. So it's a professional condenser mic, and like I say, I bought it off Amazon and it was for a company called Vanbar and it was just under £40. So what we'll do is we'll open the box and we'll have a look what's in it and then we'll give it a trial and see what it sounds like. Right, so in the box we've got a muffler to stop any sort of splatter sounds, as they call it. I don't know, saliva sounds when you stop speaking and slap your lips. That's supposed to stop that. So it plugs straight into your USB of your computer. So it's got USB there and I forget what you call that fitting, but another USB that plugs into the microphone. Instructions. Claiming a free gift. Redeem your free gift. So that's the microphone. Looks quite professional. It's got echo, volume, headphone plug and a mute button on it, and that's where your USB cable for the sound to go to your computer plugs in. So that's that. Get like a foam wind muff. You get the anti-vibration bracket. You get that's for holding your microphone onto the stand and everything. That's the mount that clamps to your computer table. So you can swivel it round to speak in front of it. You get a small little tripod, just so you can stand the mic in front of you. And this is the arm. So what we'll do is I'll set it all up and we'll have a look at it set up. Okay? Right, so that's it all set up on my desktop. I may just move it a little bit, but the arm clamps on. You can adjust it so it swings round towards you. Clamp it all up. You can move it backwards and forwards, up and down, wherever you want. It's quite good. So like I say, the muffler, whatever you call it, sits over there in front of the microphone. I haven't put the foam sponge on. I'm not too sure about that, but I'll have a play with it now. And you've also got that little stand which your microphone will screw into, so you can just have it sat on your desk if you want, but I don't think I'll use that actually, but I don't know, we'll see how things go. Right, so I'm just showing you on screen what you do, and hopefully I can see the test of the microphone bouncing up and down. So fingers crossed this is recording the screen with the sound, so hopefully that's working. We'll give it a try. Well, that seems to be working okay. I think we'll just have a little play around and try out the echo, etc. But I'm quite impressed. The only thing that I have found is that this is plastic. So what I'm going to do is contact the seller to say that this bracket should screw on there, but its thread inside has actually gone. So like I say, I'm going to contact the seller because they're telling you can win redeem a gift by leaving a review, and then you tell them what the review is, and you can pick one of the following items as a reward, which is a live professional sound card, selfie light ring light with tripod, or a $30 refund. So all you do is go to your orders, write a review and post the review to claim your gift following the instructions. So I shall also contact them regarding that little thread. As you can see, I don't know whether you can actually see, the threads have stripped on it. Might not focus on it, but because there's two of them, I've used the one out of the tripod mount onto the bracket on here. So fingers crossed. The voice over and screen recordings that I do a voice on will be a lot better, fingers crossed. Right, so that's a little bit more a different kind of vlog. It's something I bought off me ads money that YouTube kindly pay you, that takes you a long time to accrue. So I thought I'd treat myself to a decent microphone. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and fingers crossed it works okay. So don't forget, if you like what you've seen, don't forget, give it that thumbs up, and if you've got any comments or want to ask any questions about it, just drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to, and you like what you see, there's plenty of videos on my channel. Please consider subscribing and also clicking that little notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos. So it's goodbye from me, goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.